In today's video, I'm going to teach you step by step how to insert and edit diagrams in Google Slides. Let's get started by opening Google Slides. If you're not already signed in, you may be prompted to log in before you can edit anything. Once you're in, open the presentation you want to work on. You can choose it from your recent files or find it in your drive. After your presentation loads, navigate to the specific slide where you want the diagram to appear. It's helpful to pick a clean slide or add a new one so your diagram has room to breathe. Now look to the top menu bar and click Insert. From the drop-down, select Diagram. This opens a helpful sidebar on the right side of your screen. Here, you'll choose the kind of diagram that best fits your message, such as a process diagram to show a sequence of steps. Take a moment to think about the information you're communicating so you can match the diagram type to your goal. In that same sidebar, customize the diagram settings before you place it. Choose the number of steps to fit the content you need to explain. Pick a color theme that matches your presentation's look or your brand. Then select a diagram style that feels clear and easy to read. These settings help you start with a layout that's already close to finished. When you're ready, click the diagram style you like, and it will be inserted directly onto your slide. You can drag to reposition it and use the corner handles to resize while keeping the proportions neat. If something doesn't look right, remember you can always undo and try a different style from the sidebar. To add your content, double-click inside any shape and replace the placeholder text with your own words. Keep labels short and precise so the diagram remains scannable. If you need to adjust the visual design, select a shape and use the paint bucket icon to change the fill color and the pencil icon to adjust the border color and weight. To show relationships or flow, add connectors using the line or arrow tool from the toolbar. Snap points will help your connectors attach cleanly to shapes, keeping everything aligned. That's it. Your diagram is now inserted and customized, making your presentation clearer and more visually engaging. A well-chosen diagram can turn complex ideas into something your audience understands at a glance, so don't hesitate to refine colors, spacing, and text for maximum clarity. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Google Slides tips and tutorials.